How to reset your password for NordFX. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. If you don't remember your NordFX account's password while logging into your account, then don't worry at all. You can easily reset your password and recover your account. First of all, go ahead and get to the NordFX website or simply open up the NordFX app on your device. And once you're inside this login screen, simply go ahead and click on this Forgot Your Password button. On the next page, enter your email address associated with NordFX. Check this I'm not a robot box and click on Verify. Now you'll receive a 6-digit verification code on your email inbox. Go open up your email inbox and write down the code that you received. Once you are done, click Verify. On the next page, you'll get to change your password right away. Enter the new password you want to change to and re-enter the new password once again, and finally click on Update Password. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to recover your password to a new one. Next time while logging in, make sure that you enter the newly created or updated password. So that's how it's done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.